Alright guys, we're gonna try something and you can't convince me that this is not gonna be so good. We're gonna start by making some cookies. Red velvet. Oh, I gotta melt my butter. There's melting. I need a tablespoon of water. I know I have a tablespoon. Tablespoon of water. I also need 2 eggs. And I only have 1. Are you somebody that throws each egg away after every use, or are you somebody that saves the shell and then throws the whole thing away? As you can tell, I do both. So what's a good substitute for an egg in cookies?
For cookies, you've got several solid swaps. Applesauce works great. Use about a 1/4 cup per egg for chewy cookies. Mashed banana adds sweetness and moisture. Perfect for oatmeal or chocolate chip.
Baking these for 15 minutes. Now we have to make hot fudge sauce. I told you I don't have anything to make the stuff that I want to have. So 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of cocoa. Ghirardelli is the best. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. We're gonna cook this over medium heat. Alright guys, it's bubbling. We're gonna let this cook for like 5 minutes. Listen guys, I don't want to spend $9 on a fucking bag of cocoa either, but if I have to resort to making my own hot fudge sauce because I have the memory of a gnat and I can't remember, even though I went to the grocery store every day last week, then I at least want it to taste good. Let's take it off the heat. Add in some vanilla. Give it a stir. Alright, I'm gonna let my hot fudge sauce and my cookies cool down, and then I'll come back to finish the rest. Look at that hot fudge sauce. I put most of it in this big giant jar of hot fudge sauce. Look at that. Alright, we are about to make a chocolate red velvet cookie with a fudge core blizzard. Alright, like half the carton. Crumble up a couple cookies. Oh, I should show you. KitchenAid is so complicated. Here's my husband's. I can only imagine this is what the inside of a blizzard looks like. Here's mine.